Hey, what's going on, everybody? You're watching EXQUISITEMAD, and today we're going to be looking at a how to use and product review on Armor glass cleaner. Now, Armor has been around for a long time. It's a great product when it comes to shine and stuff, but let's see how their glass cleaner works and let's see how it performs. So the first thing that we're going to do is read the instructions, directions. Very easy. Spray onto glass, wipe dry to a streak-free shine with paper towel or lint-free glass cloth. For best results, change towels frequently. Okay, and it says that it can be used on text streams. We're not going to worry about that. I want to see if it actually works on glass. That's all that matters. So the first thing I'm going to do is open it up. And if you look here, this window is disgusting. It's nasty. It's got a bunch of just fingerprints and everything else on there. So what we're going to do, we're just going to spray it. Now the cloth that I'm using to wipe this off with is a microfiber towel. All I'm gonna do is just wipe. Now the smell of this, does it smell like spray away? It smells like spray away, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It smells like spray away glass cleaner. But as you can see, it cleans up nicely. So let's move over to this one. You see some of these fingerprints right here? Like so. Boom. Look at that. Amazing. Okay. All right. So this has been a review of Armor and how to use Armor glass cleaner. Does it work? Yes, it works. Does it smell good? Yeah, it smells great. It smells clean. It smells like glass cleaner, what you can expect. It smells almost kind of like Windex or spray away glass cleaner, and it works pretty darn good. So anyway, if you like videos like this, be sure to like and subscribe, but hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or any experience on this product, drop a comment in the comment section and tell us what you think. And if you want to see some other videos, let us know what products you want to see reviewed, and we'll see about doing it. So anyway, see you on the next video, everybody. Bye-bye.